Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I was walking around the shop the other day with Tony, who's doing all of our filming, and we weren't talking, we were just listening to the sounds of the shop and the sounds of some of the cars as they were moving in and out, and I was like, you know what? Taking a moment just to listen to that kind of reminds me why I do what I do, why we do what we do, because it's just cool. And so what we did is I just had Tony shoot a few minutes of just really quiet, peaceful, and angry Corvette sounds here at the shop. And I hope you enjoy it. Super easy video today, no big detailed stuff. I just wanted you to kind of be a fly on the wall inside the shop to see what it's like on a daily basis to just hear the sounds of Corvette. I hope you enjoy it.